It's a huge puzzle with thousands of parts and a lot of power. My name is Maria. I come from Spain, specifically Tenerife in the Canary Islands. My role here is DMU engineer, that stands for Digital Mockup Engineer. So my main role is to make sure that everything fits together in the CAD environment, make sure that all the parts can fit together, that everything works properly, make sure that everything is in place. It's like a bridge between all the engineer and manufacturing roles, kind of in between, and that's fascinating. Seeing how the digital design comes to life is an amazing feeling. Seeing how all the decisions can affect all the parts of the car, how every single decision can make this car unique is fantastic to see. It's like a big, huge puzzle with a lot of horsepower. I felt like it was like a child for me. When I saw the car finish, it makes everybody feel proud of what we have achieved as a team. It's kind of the family environment that Zenvo have. Yeah, sometimes my desk is next to the car, something that is amazing, at least for me, because seeing how it's built a car in front of you is an opportunity that not everybody have. What I do when I'm not working, well, there are things. I like to do my own projects. I like to draw, design, hiking, exploring, and there is a lot of beautiful places to go and visit. And I have done a list of places I would like to go. Yeah. Nice. Perfecto. I try to keep it professional, so sometimes I get like, well, no, it's good. An engineer. Can I do it again? Sorry. Sorry about that. Cut.